What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Marilyn Vegas by the Vamps. I actually mislooked this. I just completely forgot about the song. It came out this Friday, but now I'm back over here with the song and I'm just going to show you all the parts there in the song. A good thing about the song is no capo, as you can see, completely standard tuning, and the same chord progression going throughout the whole song. So firstly, just have a look at the structure, it's very important. We'll start off with the verse, then we have the pre-chorus, chorus, and after that we have a little this part going on instrumental. So instrumental, then our next verse, our next pre-chorus, our next chorus, again an instrumental, but this time we actually play that instrumental into two, means twice, and then we have that interlude, and after that we have the last chorus, and that's it for the song. Same chord progression throughout the whole song. Let's have a look at the chords. Just 3 chords for this song, just 3. Let's have a look at the chords. Our first chord is just an E major, which is 0 2 2 1 0 0. The next chord is a D major, which is mute mute, open second, third second. And then the next chord is an A major, which is mute, open second, 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 open. That's it. Now let's get started, but before starting, just want to see that if you won't mind, please subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. I'm actually working really hard. I can see my channel. I have covered almost all the songs recently released with tabs and all, and also this one, as you can see, I'm just going to show you all the part of the song. Unlike the other lessons out there in here, just showing you 2 chords playing, 1 string pattern and all, just teaching you wrong habits and all. But never mind, I'm just going to show you all the parts over here. So for this song, we have the chord progression E major, one more time E major, then a D major, then an A major, so which means we have that E major repeating twice. So we got 1 2 3 4, another time E major, 2 3 4, go to D, 1 2 3 4, and you go to the A major chord, and that's pretty much everything for the song. And now the string pattern, I just want to show you also this one also, a bit of power chords and all. It's pretty easy, believe me guys. So you got the chord progression. Now just have a look at this part. If I tell you to play a E power chord, which is actually E5 power chord, you're just gonna play the top E string and second fret on that A string, and make sure you get all the other string mirrored except that E and that A string. So we got E5. So you get mirrored. Everything is mirrored except the E and the A. And now you move on to that A major chord. Now when I say A major power chord or A5, it's actually open A string and the D string second fret, and make sure that all other strings are actually muted. I only get that open A and the second fret on D. And now we have the D major power chord over here. Pretty common, pretty basic shape we have over here, which is mute, then 5th fret on that A string, 7th fret on the D string, and make sure you get everything on the meter. You can use a ring, but I like to use my pinky sometimes. That's it. So keep that in mind. I'm just going to chill about that later on. So we start off with the chord string pattern. Just have a look. I go 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now this is a basic pretty rhythm count, so make sure that you just master this one, and you will be actually able to play the whole song with just 3 chords. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So we have that accent on the third beat, so make sure you emphasize on that beat a lot than the other. So we got 1 2 3 4. What I do is on that 1, the 2, and that 4. So we got 1, we got 2 like this. So 1 2 and that 4. I do down, which mainly focuses on strumming the top strings, the E string, maybe the A string, D string and all, not the G, B or the high E string, and that way I actually strum. And on the third beat, I strum the full chord, which gives me that emphasis on that beat. So just gonna do that 1 2 3 4. Just gonna do that twice for each chord. No matter what the chord is, like the E major is repeated twice, which means we just gonna play it 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 another time. So we got E major, major, 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 3 4 1 2. All are down, all are down. So you got 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. E major, D major, what you can do, extra bonus tip is, while you're just gonna change to the next chord, you can just do a up in between when you just change to the next chord, like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 3 4, up 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 3 4, up 1 2, and that in that way just go on throughout the whole song. So let me play for the last time, and then I'm just going to show you another string pattern. That's it. Yeah. And now just want to play this on the bar chord. So the chord progression remains exactly same. As I told you before, the chord progression is same. And I showed you the bar chords at the beginning. So let's utilize that. So E5 bar chord. Let's play 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2. A5 3 4, 1 2. D5. That's it. And now another string pattern which I like to play is down, down, up, up, down. And this one is very simple. I go down, down, up, down. And again, when I just like in the process of changing to another chord, I do a up, down, and I just change that. So it actually helps you, like while you're changing the chord, it actually takes a bit of time if you're new to the chord shapes. So therefore, when you do down, up, you like the people in front of you will seem like you're like actually good at guitar. You're not suppose you're new to the chord E major and D major, down, down, up. So when I go to the D major chord, I'm struggle playing that, putting the frets on over here. So in that place you can do down, up, down. So in that time you can actually utilize in changing the chord shapes, and that's what I just want to mean. But that's a complete big option. So we got once on each chord, and that's enough. So I'm very sorry, twice for each chord. E major, that's it. And now let's move on to this instrumental, which I'm just pretty excited to share with you guys. So what I do, just have a closer look. Have a look at the tab. I start off playing 9th fret. One thing I just want to say is that doesn't matter whenever you are actually picking, what fret you are picking, what strings you're picking, make sure you follow the alternate picking style, which means first pick will be down, the second will be up, third will be down, then fourth will be up. In that way it actually goes on to infinity. So in that way we'll actually play. Never go down, 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 down. Make sure you go down, up, down, down, like that. So another thing is this riff actually a bit short, which means the notes are not ringing. It's not ringing, it's going like after you press the note, you're just gonna release it as soon as you get that tone over there. So you got 9th fret on the G string, 10th fret, 9th fret on the B string. So 10th fret and 9th fret on the B string. So you got so down, up, down. Then I play 9th fret over here on the G string. Then I play 10th fret on the B string twice, down, up. So down, up, down, up. Then 9th fret on the B string. So you got maybe a bit mistaken, I'll get confused showing the frets, but you can actually see the tabs. So we got so after playing 10th fret, I told you to play 9th fret but not play that. Sorry for that. After playing that, just gonna move on and play 9th fret on the G string. So we got then you'll play 10th fret on the B string, then 9th fret on the B string, and you're just gonna repeat that twice because that is on the E major chord. So we are playing that twice because the E major chord is repeated twice. So we got So complete it twice. Now one thing is, you may have some problem with this, you may be having some rhythm problem with this because it's actually a bit fast. So make sure you just have a look at the tab, try reminding, posing and all, go to YouTube setting, do whatever you want, but make sure you just slow down a bit, just practice a bit, then just play. Done? And you move on to the D major chord. And we play. So we play over here, 7th fret, 10th fret on the B string, 5th fret on, 7th fret on the G, 10th fret on the B, 7th fret on the B, 7th fret on the G, 9, 9, I'm sorry man, I'm very sorry, 7 on the G, then I got 9 on the B, then 7, then again 7 on the G, then you will play 9, 9 on the B, then 7 on the G, then 9 on the B, 7 on the G. So you got, and you're just gonna play that once. D major is only once, and then you're just gonna play that A major. So you're playing 5th fret, then 6th fret on the G, 5th fret on the B string, 6th fret on the G string. You're just gonna play that 2 times. Ta ta. And 7th fret on the G string twice. Then you play 7th fret on the B string. Then you're just gonna play that last note on that 9th fret of the G string, which is an E, and end that over there. That's it. So you got. Sorry. So I hope you got it. I just want to play that one more time. So that you can actually play along with me. Another thing I told you before, and I'm just going to tell you one more time, is make sure you just practice this a lot. It's not super easy, as you can see. It's not super easy. It's not slow, but the thing is, over here the short note, it actually makes a bit look different and sounds great. It looks like a theme of a mobile game. Let's play 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Drop me one of these. Bye.